Baldugo. Wasay. Guys, all the way to the hoops. Uy, gandang mekos naman yun. Stolen behind the back. Oh, stolen back. Galapia of the glass. Back to Abriol corner. Stop. Launches on 3. Bang! 3. The rebound. Spins. Picks. Pull up. Chambe. Bullseye. Welcome to Ilocos Norte Intertown Da Vinci Cup 2024 quarterfinals. And good pull up J bucket, first blood. And here's Abriol, number 27. Inside, bounce pass, falling away off the mark. The long pass is stolen behind the back. Oh, stolen back. Galapia off the glass. Back to two. And here's Tim Pinili, loses the ball. And is stolen. Galapia pass inside, fires off the window, bucket. Abriol corner, stop, launches on 3. Bang! 3. Makalma, Hakoba sa 3. Too strong, rebound takes. Clutch fire of the window, bucket. Agaran attacking the defense, Liz won't go, fight for the rebound. Goes to Apayao, the long pass, 2-on-1 ang laban, he attacks, inside pass, spins, fires off the window, bucket. Abriol asking for a pass to the middle, inside pass, oh, no good. And here's the recovery. Hakoba goes to the rim, fires, fight for the rebound, and the rebound. Spins, picks, pull up, Chambe, bullseye. Wasay, corner pass, drives to the hoops, lays off the window, Manny. Alnay crosses the mid lane. Tapek, hook shot, Tapek, bullseye. Wasay, hits corner 3, bang, Selon 3. And a pass break, lays sa Galapia. Wasay, corner. Selon for the inbound. Badwa, pull up J, bucket. Makalma, pass to the middle. Tapek, bounce pass, almost stolen. Recover. Uy, lumusot sa ilalim. Bumangga, bang! Not in my house. And here's Badwa, corner pass, open for 3. Bang! Galapia. To the hoops, pull up J, bulls up. Wasay sa 3, wala, rebound, pass back, Laweng, bang, second, Dulin, i-pass to Makalma sa 3, bang, Dian, Wasay, Agaran, bumangga, kicks out, open for 3, bang, Makalma for Team Paway, between the legs. Attacks, crossover, tries, lays off the hoops, bucket. Wasay, he's at the middle, he stops, corner pass, lying, drives, kicks out, Wasay, picks, and attacks, side step, water, too strong, fight for the rebound, Baldugo, inside pass, picks, clutch, fire, block, even in your house, wakes, inches, Baldugo, attacks, another block, and another fix. Oh! Peck at the middle. He spins. The bounce pass. Hakoba. Ginugulo. And Wild open for 3. Bang! Makal. Wasay. Drives all the way to the hoops. Oh, gandang mekos na. Madulin. To the corner, he drops his spin, speaks, clutch, is stolen, hook pass, libre, all alone, easy back, crossover move, attacks, pass, subi na bitin pa, and crosses the mid lane. Here's Gamit, Pakubat sa corner, wide open for 3, and the rebound, Galapia in Harry, stops, fall out there of the window, back. Gamit, he's at the middle, he drives, goes to the hoops, and a pass, assist, Pinasa off the glass, Laeng. Alma, guarded by Laeng. Sa gitna, Bumanga, Giba, loses the ball. And a pass, Here's goes to the rim, Pakubat, short, pass off the glass, yes sir. And a baseball pass. Wala, sinausaw na, di pa rin pumasok. And to the middle. Shot clock down to 7. Stops, pull up J. Rebound, Paway, Galapia. Apat yung nasa baba versus Galapia. He stops. To the middle. Tapek, atake, sidestep, pinasa off the glass. Oops, and the baseball pass. Pakubat to the middle. Gamit open for 2. Bullseye. Galapia is stolen. Galapia to the hoops. 1 go. Gamit pull up jumper. Bakit? At Madulin, he goes to the wings. Pass to Makalma. Makalma picks. Cross pass to the corner for 3. Bang! Gamit. Stolen. Makalma. He stops for 3. Fight for the rebound. Tapek is there. Kumaldag. Spins. Falling away. Bullseye. And here's Celon. He goes to the middle. He uses the screen. Bounce pass inside the lane. So Celon. Galapia tagging the defense. He spins. Goes to the rim of the window. Rebound Pinili. Wasay goes inside to the rim, lace. Rebound ngayon and a pass break. Galapia nag-iisa, easy basket. Celon to Wasay. Celon, bounce pass to Celon. Celon to the hoops, bucket by Celon. Makalma to the rim, hook lace, don't go. And here's Wasay, inside pass, floater, bucket by Akoba bounce pass, Makalma lace off the window, Makalma for 2. And long pass, Baldugo lace, bucket for 2. Makalma is stolen, Celon, easy 2. Makalma is Galapia, wide open sa 3, short. Rebound by the Wasay, he cross the mid lane, tatlo laban sa 5, side steps, kicks out, open for 3, won't go, and to the middle, for the lead, bullseye, that's Baldugo, Wasay, 2-on-2, Wasay goes to straight to the hoops, bucket for 2, Wasay, pass to the Madulin, no look pass inside, another pass, Akoba floater, rebound by Celon, and recover, stolen, and shot, grabe, kakaiba, unlock ulit na move yun, and Baldugo fakes, and recover, fires, wala, Baldugo pa rin, the second check, bounce pass, stolen, Baldugo, lace, bucket for 2, back, Makalma, Tapek, inside pass, hollow pass, the finish, and the Wasay, pass to the middle, kicks out, Agaran for 3, bang, Agaran! Here's Wasay, he crosses the mid lane, he pass to number 8, kicks out sa 3, Agaran, won't go, and the pass break, Makalma, Galapia, straight to the hoops, easy 2, Abriol, straight to the hoops, lumipad, bakit? And the long pass there, Galapia inside pass off the glass. 15 seconds on the game clock. Fix, oops. Inside pass, fix. Reverse layup, bucket, Baldugo. 5 seconds. Long pass, tumira. And Jacoba. Full corner. Here's Laeng. And pass inside, but put back, wala pa rin. Another put back, a third shot. Constantino, he stops. Galapia. to the hoop. Bull up J. Bull. And here's Laeng. Inside pass. Four-air shot. Bucket. In the back, Constantino. Galapia. Stops. Pull-up jumper. And here's Tim Pinili. Agaran. Hook shot. Bucket. And here's Aran. Agaran. Open for 3. Bang! Agaran! And Laen. Lace. Bucket. Laen. Ball. Dribbling uses the screen. Corner pass is stolen by Celon. Agaran. Pass fix. Oh, steep takto pass. Recover. Badwa. Easy to Badwa. And the long pass. Into the rim. Sleaze. In and out. Laeng. Stops. Cross pass. Agaran. And for 3. Bang! Inside pass. First pass of the glass. Di na tumat. Laeng. Pull up jar. Badwa of the window. Bucket. Constantino. Bounce pass to Tapek. Pass back. Constantino for 3. Bang! 3 point. Laeng. Alley-oop pass. Bucket for 2. Tapia. He pass to Madulid. Crossover. Corner pass. Wild open for 3. In and out. Fight for the rebound. Inside. No, ang gandang pasa nun. Dakun. And Laen. Pakubat for 3. Short. Rebound. Floater. Bucket for the put. Madulid. Inside pass. Tapek. Attacks. Spins. Hook shot. Won't go. Laen. Long pass. Badwalis. Easy to Dulid. Pass to Makalma. Picks. Attacks. Step back. Pass to Madulid. Makalma for 3. Bang! And long pass. Badwa block. Tapik na naman. And here you go. Straight to the hooks. Bucket. Easy to Makalma. He goes to the middle. Almost lost. Corner pass. Galapia for 3. Bang! 3 points. And Laen kicks out. For 3. Too strong. Rebound. Pull up. Pass break. Galapia all alone. Reverse layup. Bucket. And Laen. Baldugo drives to the baseline. Reverse layup. Won't go. Put back. And here's the first break. 2 versus 1. Makalma lays block. And here's Laen. Kicks out. Wild open. Makubat for 3. And rebound. Low floater. Too strong. Oh, put back shot. And assist. Gamit. To the middle. Pull up jumper. Bucket. Gamit. Rebound. And the long pass. Pull up J of the window. Bullseye.
Shot clock is off. Last 20 seconds.
Attacks. Inside pass. Baldugo with the finish.
Last 12 seconds.
12 seconds. Makalma. To the middle. Levis Lees.
Last 5 seconds.
Seconds on the game clock. Gamit pull up jumper. That's the end. Sa corner 3. Abriol. Bang! 3 point lead. Galapia. Floater. Short. Rebound. And here's Tim Pinili. Long pass. Reverse layup. Pakubat. Easy. Makalma. Fix. Pass back. Here's Galapia. Spins. Lost the ball. And the long pass. No look pass. Baldugo. Easy to Baldugo. Sa 3. Uy, the rebound and the putback. Baldugo. Tapek. Floater off the window. Tapek. Bucket for 2. Wasay. Stop. Free throw area. Won't go. Reverse layup. Rebound. Falling away. Bullseye.
Apek pass to Galapia.
Galapia. Pinasa. Easy to. Wasay. Halley pass inside. Reverse layup. Oops, nadali yun. And here's oops sa tres. Bang! Agaran! Madulid. Crossover. Corner pass. Galapia wide open. Bucket. Yung pass is stolen. Oops, recover. Spins. Badwa. Legs up. Bucket. Badwa. Galapia uses the screen. And the stolen na naman. Abriol. Easy to. Abriol kicks out. Wide open for 3. Bang! Agaran! Abriol to the middle. Kicks out. Open for 3. Bang! Agaran! Makalma. Long pass. Galapia. Reverse layup. Oops. And here's Agaran. Another 3. Bang! Makalma. To the rim. Race. Bucket. And here's Tim Pinili. Agaran. Wild open. Another 3. Bang! Another. And here's Makalma. To the hoops. Off the glass. Bucket. Number 15. Polity. Drives. Tinagtak! Sinaus! And pass sa 3. And here you go, another. Boom! Saw. Sa 3. Bullseye. And another one. Agaran! Bang! And congratulations, Team Pinili.